Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello there. How have you been, all of you? Hopefully, all are you doing great. Alhamdulillah. I am also cool and handy by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is me, your English language practice partner, Muhammad Umar, once again in front of you. Today, in this video, I will share some difficulties, some problems. When we try to learn English language, at that time, we also face some problem. So for this problem, we cannot speak English or we cannot fulfill our dream. We just think. Once upon a time, it was also my dream to be a fluent speaker, and I took it very seriously. Alhamdulillah, right now it is my reality. I can speak English any place, anytime, anywhere without any shyness, fairness, and hesitation. So, but when I started my English spoken journey, I also faced this problem. Number one, that is called shyness. Shyness is the biggest problem to be a fluent speaker. It is one kind of barrier. When we try to make sentences, when we try to speak English in the public place, we feel, oh my God, what people is watching me, or people is looking me very curiously, and that is why we don't practice in the public place. And number two, that is, we expect more but we don't practice regularly. We expect more but we don't maintain our consistency. We expect more but we do not practice more and more, again and again, repeatedly and continuously, and ultimately we don't get result within a very short time. We expect that if I practice 3 months, I will be a completely good speaker. I will be a perfect speaker or a smart speaker. But when we don't maintain our regularity, we cannot speak smoothly. We cannot uh, we cannot express ourselves smartly, and at that time we give up. Number three, lacking of vocabularies. When we try to learn anything, we don't memorize vocabulary. We all want to be a fluent speaker, but we are not ready to memorize vocabularies. So in this time we face some problem. We memorize but we cannot remember. It has some problems. Okay, and number four is that making mistake, fear of making mistake. We think that, oh my God, if I make mistake, people will criticize me, people will humiliate me, or what people will think, and because of this we don't continue our journey. But remember, those who are perfect speaker now, they also made thousand and thousand mistake in their previous life, in their beginning life, and then they try to rectify them and they try to solve them, and day by day they solve their problem. Right now they are public speaker, they are a smart speaker, they can speak very smartly. So I am requesting to all of you, if you have a curiosity, if you have intention to learn this language, never ever waste your time, never ever wait for anyone's help. Nobody will come in your life who will help you. There goes a famous speech, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. On the other hand, if you are determined, no one can stop you. So the decision is yours, if you want to be successful or not, if you want to fulfill your parents' dream or not. So keep practicing, keep learning, take care of yourself, have a great day.